Rosie.
I'd prefer the dog to be gone.
I'll sort it out, don't worry. Rose.
It's nice. Can you hold her?
This thing is massive, man. You playing with this thing, eh?
Maybe put it away.
No, it's done. It's done. The snake. My friend, you need to give me a thumbs up for that.